This is a Fenix part. It's the highest quality, perfect fit, and the best price compared to off-the-shelf parts. So how is Fenix able to sell a better product at a lower price? Fenix takes perfectly functioning parts off of other cars and sells them to you. Take this car, for example. Tons of like-new parts, all ripe for the picking. There is one issue with this car, though. It's totaled. Fenix buys newer cars like these and puts them through their industry-leading quality control process before they're systematically dismantled by highly trained professionals. Only the best parts receive Fenix's 30-day, no-questions-asked satisfaction guarantee. Fenix has more than double the inventory of its competitors, thousands of professional team members, and a delivery infrastructure second to none. They are customer first and fast. Fenix parts are as good for the environment as they are for your wallet. This is recycling in its truest form. No one does it better, and nothing goes to waste. With locations coast to coast and expanding every year, Fenix is an all-American company with a first-class team that operates at the highest level. So when you need the highest quality part for your car at the best price, choose Fenix Parts.
Fenix Parts, driving you forward.